Regardless of what side of the fence you sit on with this is something that really needs to be considered. I'll just write this into the paper. How it's received, I don't really care. It really needs to be considered. Some will take it as an insult. No, it's a warning. Trespass is not only associated to property, it is also directly a crime, sin, to trespass against sovereignty, right to autonomy, personal space and free will under duress. And regarded as crimes against humanity under the Geneva Conventions and Magna Carta, biblical law. When we have full digital framework, biometrics, identification, social credits and digital universal basic income all run by AI smart city policing within the next 3 to 5 years, how do you think police, lawyers, soldiers and judges will be judged by the Court of Artificial Intelligence? Ah! Now you're going to wish you behaved yourselves, aren't you?